Hello everyone, today we discuss about what is enzyme. Enzyme is a substance that acts as a catalyst in living organisms, regulating the rate at which chemical reactions proceed without itself being altered in the process. The biological processes that occur within all living organisms are chemical reactions and most are regulated by enzymes. Without enzymes, many of these reactions would not take place at a perceptible rate. Enzymes catalyze all aspects of cell metabolism. This includes the digestion of food, in which large nutrient molecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are broken down into smaller molecules, the conservation and transformation of chemical energy, and the construction of cellular macromolecules from smaller precursors. Many inherited human diseases such as albinism and phenylketonuria result from deficiency of a particular enzyme. Enzymes also have valuable industrial and medical applications. The fermenting of wine, leavening of bread, curdling of cheese, and brewing of beer have been practiced from earliest times, but not until the 19th century, where these reactions are understood to be the result of the catalytic activity of enzymes. Since then, enzymes have assumed an increasing importance in industrial processes that involve organic chemical reactions. The use of enzymes in medicine include killing disease causing microorganisms, promoting wound healing, and diagnosing certain diseases. Chemical nature. All enzymes were once the thought to be proteins, but since the 1980s, the catalytic ability to certain nucleic acids called ribosomes or catalytic RNAs has been demonstrated, refuting this axiom. Because so little is it known about the enzymatic function of RNA, this discussion will focus primarily on protein enzymes. A large protein enzyme molecule is composed of one or more amino acids chain called polypeptide chains. The amino acid sequence determines the characteristics folding patterns of the protein structure, which is essential to enzyme specificity. If the enzyme is subjected to changes such as fluctuation in temperature or pH, the protein structure may lose integrity, means denature, and its enzymatic ability. Denaturation is sometimes but not always reversible. Bound to some enzymes is an additional chemical component called a cofactor, which is direct participant in catalytic event and thus is um, required for enzymatic activity. A cofactor may be either or a coenzyme, an organic molecule such as a vitamin, or an inorganic metal ion. Some enzymatic require both. A cofactor may be either tightly or loosely bound to the enzyme. If tightly connected, the cofactor is referred to as a prosthetic group. Nomenclature of enzyme. An enzyme will interact with only one type of substance or group of substance called the substrate. The catalyze a certain kind of reaction. Because of this specificity, enzymes often have been named by adding the suffix ase to the substrate name, as in urease, which catalyze the breakdown of urea. Not all enzymes have been named in the manner, however, and easy. The confusion surrounding enzyme nomenclature. A classification system has been developed based on the type of reaction the enzyme catalyzes. There are six principal categories and their reactions. Oxireductases, which are involved in electron transferases, which transfer a chemical group from one substance to another. Hydrolysis, which cleave the substrate by uptake of a water molecule. Hydrolysis. Lysis, which form double bonds by adding or removing a chemical group. Isomerases, which transfer a group within a molecule to form an isomer. And ligases or synthetases, which couple the formation of various chemical bonds to the breakdown of a pyrophosphate bond in adenosine triphosphate or a similar nucleotide. Mechanism of enzyme action. In the most chemical reactions, an energy barrier exists that must be overcome for the reaction to occur. This barrier prevents complex molecules such as proteins and nucleic acid from spontaneously degrading, and so is necessary for the preservation of life when metabolic changes are required in a cell. However, certain of these complex molecules must be broken down, and this energy barrier must be surrounded. Heat could provide the additional needed energy called activation energy, but the rise in temperature would kill the cell. The alternative is the lower the activation energy level through the use of catalyst. This is the role that enzymes play. They react with the substrate to form an intermediate complex, a transition state that requires less energy for the reaction to proceed. The unstable intermediate compound quickly breaks down to form reaction products, and the unchanged enzyme is free to react with other substrate molecules. Okay, thank you.